Getting started. To get started, you must be connected to the internet every time you use KapitBahay. Because it uses a cloud-based database as its data storage. Download the installation file for Windows operating system at www.kapitbahay.org. You will need WinRAR to extract the kapitbahay.msi file from the downloaded kapitbahay.rar file. A standard Windows software installation process will follow after double left-clicking the kapitbahay.msi file. After installing successfully, a KapitBahay icon will appear on your desktop screen. Double left-click this icon and you will be prompted to type the CAPTCHA as it appears. The CAPTCHA routine will prevent an intruder robot to perform automated tasks to overwhelm the database. When the CAPTCHA that you enter matches the generated, you will be prompted to enter a valid email address in order to either sign up if you still don't have any account, or log into your KapitBahay existing account. If the email address that you have just entered has no associated account in KapitBahay records, you will be prompted to register a free 6-month full-featured no credit card needed trial account. If you will click OK, an alert message will appear informing you that an email is sent to you containing an account number and password. KapitBahay will eventually restart and prompted you to log in again after the CAPTCHA routine. After you enter your username, which is the email address that you use when you register, this time, your account status is trial unverified. This is because you have not done any login yet. Enter the generated password that you have received in email, and if correct, a congratulations alert message will appear informing you that KapitBahay has just successfully verified your email address. You will be prompted this time to enter the required information of your association or the so-called preferences. Here you can set the profile information of the association and the preferred transactions, rates, and amounts. The maximum number of units subscribed is preset by KapitBahay to 100 units. This is only for trial accounts. This figure can be modified during subscription payment transaction. The administrator password created upon sign-up will be shown in a text box but cannot be edited or changed. There is only one password. This password is used to sign in, to access the preferences data, and to delete records in the cloud database. If the association happens to forget this password, a Forgot Password button is available during sign-in. Once this button is pressed, KapitBahay will send an email containing the password to an email address which is also the username. It is very important to use a valid email address upon sign-up because this is the only gateway to access the association records in KapitBahay Cloud Database. There is an empty text box where the user can type the name of association. Another text boxes are for the Gmail account and app password. The Gmail account is the sender email address of the association. KapitBahay utilizes Gmail because of its leading-edge anti-spam and phishing protection. The two-step verification of this Gmail account should be activated because of the app password requirement. The app password is a 16-digit passcode that gives an application software or device a permission to access Google account. App password can be generated from the Security tab of Gmail account. The Gmail account and its app password can be changed or modified anytime. Another text box is for the officer monthly incentive amount. By default, the Not Applicable checkbox for officer monthly incentive is ticked. If your association agreed to give incentive to the officers of your association, you may untick this checkbox and type the agreed amount. These inputs can be modified any time in the future. There are also checkboxes and radio buttons to select the type of bills that will be billed to the homeowners, and empty text boxes to type the preferred rate and amount of the bill selected, such as membership fee, monthly dues, water rate, water minimum fee, water connection fee. electricity rate, electricity minimum fee, electricity connection fee, new tenant fee, monthly parking fee, other fees. For this video, let us say that your association wants to collect only the membership fee, monthly dues, new tenant fee and other fees. Just tick the respective radio buttons and type the rates and amounts in the text boxes. Let us say your association agreed to collect the one-time membership fee according to the size of the property, let's say 10 pesos per square meter. For the monthly dues, your association agreed a fixed amount of 1,500 pesos per month. And for the new tenant fee, your association agreed a one-time fee according to the size of the property, let's say 5 pesos per square meter per tenant. If in the future, your association has agreed to add or discontinue a billing transaction, you may access again this preferences window and update your choices. And finally, there is a save button to record the preferences into the cloud database. Save your preferences and KapitBahay will restart to implement the information that you have just provided. Enter your username and this time, your account status becomes trial verified. Enter your password and KapitBahay will display your dashboard. The dashboard is the window where you will do all the transaction and keep track all the information of your homeowner association.